haven't seen it anywhere. We'll help you look for it, though.
Thanks, guys. Maybe Clover found it.
Clover! Clover!
Huh? That's strange. He was just in here. Where'd he go?
Is this a piece of your stethoscope?
My stethoscope. It's broken?
This looks like Clover's footprint. I wonder where he went.
I don't know, but he was acting kind of strange earlier. Something must have happened. I need to find him. Clover! Clover! Did anybody find Clover?
Sorry, Min. We checked everywhere. There's no sign of him. I don't even think he's on the ranch.
That means he could be anywhere. And without a dino to ride, how can I go look for him?
Good thinking, Blitz. Hop in, Min. You can ride with us. And we won't give up until we find him.
Thanks, guys.
Let's saddle up! Dino Ranchers, ride! Sufferin's saddle horn. Teddy's keeping everyone awake. The roost must still be missing something. I'll fix the problem with Teddy in 2 shakes of a pterosaur's tail.
All right, but we won't get a wink of sleep if we don't calm down all the other dinosaurs.
Sleep a wink last night.
I don't think anyone did. For a tiny pterodactyl, Teddy sure has a big voice.
I did everything I could think of to make Teddy's roost feel like a place he'd be happy. And he still wouldn't stop cawing. Tired or not, we've still got all that hay to bale up. So let's saddle up!